what I ordered.
Like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pointing to the people that point to you, because life is so short. So I am super excited today. I love a good package. And we got multiple packages today. We got some Amazon finds, and they're like Amazon creator finds, or just things that could be useful in your home. So I'm trying to step my game up. I've been doing content for a while, but these are just things that I feel like I need to do, the different things that I want to do. You know, you don't need all the bells and whistles. You can start out, just with the phone and the wall. That's all you need, honestly, to elevate and just to do certain things. Sometimes you have to, step your game up, step your cookies up for the crumble. Let's get into what I ordered. Some of this stuff heavy. Alright, let's start with this box. By the time you get it, because Prime don't be priming no more, like you really don't remember what you ordered. So honestly, you don't remember. Oh, the first thing I did order, I was just so thirsty to put them up. Are these bows behind me? The bows that are on the cabinets. They came in a pack of 8. So I ordered 2 because I have more than 8 cabinets. Now I did see these on TikTok Shop, but it was gonna take longer for them to come, and I was, so thirsty for them to be here. So I went on Amazon to see if they had them, and they did. So they're super cute, and they're long. And all you have to do, instead of, cutting and measuring and stuff, you just throw them on, and then you attach the Velcro, and then it hooks like that. The only thing I don't like about these is that, of course the pattern is off, but where my cabinets end, like for this one for example, the Velcro part is on the front because of how the length of the cabinet. And I don't really like that. I don't want it to be in the front, but it is what it is. All of them aren't like that, but some of them are. So yeah, it's just as simple as putting the Velcro on there. And then the pieces, the Velcro sticks to the ribbon. It's not super sticky, so some of them fell off, so I had to get some hot glue and put the hot glue on there so that they'll stick. I do love these. I'm gonna order some for St. Patrick's Day, but yeah, I was just so thirsty to open the box, I couldn't wait. Like, I literally opened it the same day. So let's see what else I got. Okay, this is the linen. Now, I want a backdrop. And the reason I want a backdrop is because I want to be able to, take my own pictures. I feel like, it's cool to go to a photographer and they take nice pictures, but nobody can take a picture like you would take a picture. Like, I be asking people to take my picture and then I look at them and I be like, okay, take some more. But this way I can see the pictures, I can look at them, I can critique them. If I want to take more, I can take more. If I want to spend time doing it, I can spend time doing it. Now, the color that I ordered, mine is already torn. It's beige, and it says it's wrinkle free, but we gonna see. I didn't want white because I also want to use this backdrop for when I record videos, and I felt like if I had like a white outfit on and I had it up against a white background, I would wash myself out. So I felt like beige would be the best option to start with. Let's see. Okay, I see some wrinkles. But I won't pull it all the way out until I get ready to put the actual backdrop up. This is what's in this package. But we're gonna put it up together, so. Gotta unpack everything. In this package, I also ordered some stuff for my photo shoot. In the first photo shoot, the first one that I'm doing is a Valentine photo shoot. So I ordered some heart balloons. I was gonna say they better be different colors, but they are. It's like pinks and reds, different shades of pink and red. So I got those 4 heart balloons. And I ordered some fabric tape because I knew I wanted to stick the heart balloons to the fabric. And there's a box inside of a box. My lighting kit. I forgot all about this. See? This is the Origin Softbox Photography Light. It's a lighting kit. So it comes with the softbox lighting, studio lights for photography, video recording, live streaming, portraits, photo shoot. Okay. So it comes with the instructions. So we're definitely gonna have to read those. These are the actual lights. It's a set of 2. And then it comes with all the bells and whistles. So we're gonna put that together, but I just wanted to unbox it first. I'm gonna move that to the side. Then we got this package. Smartwatch band. So I had an Apple Watch years ago, probably about 3-4 years ago, and I stopped using it and I let my goddaughter use it. So I recently got it back because she got a new one. And so I was like, okay, well maybe I'll start wearing it more if like I have a cute band. And y'all know I love a gold watch. So it comes with a little, oh, it has a little backup screen protector too. The screen protector, and then the actual watch band, which is super cute. It's like a gold watch. Okay, and it's gonna fit too. I'm gonna go get the watch and put that on. And then I want to redo the cabinets that I have in my makeup room. I want it to go into my bedroom and be like an actual perfume cabinet stand type thing with my perfumes and lotions and oils. But I felt like it needs something extra, and my cousin, she suggested that I order these furniture lids, and they're gold, and it'll just add like some snaps to it. I'll show you what one looks like. And I checked, and they can hold up to 300 pounds each, so it'll be fine with that sturdy cabinet. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Just furniture lids. I would not have even thought to do that. And the cabinet also has wallpaper on it. It has like a yellow and white wallpaper, which I could stick with, but I felt like I needed something different to go with the theme of the room. So I got this cheetah print paper, wallpaper. So we're gonna work on all these projects. Are y'all down to help? Or are y'all just gonna watch? I need your help. And this is the actual pipe and drape backdrop. You know that one of the twins, Mika, she actually has a decorating business. She did the drape for the Grinchmas party. And I was like, oh, I think I want one of these for when I record and take pictures and things like that. So she suggested which one that I should buy. So we're gonna take this out the box, and then we're gonna put the backdrop up, and then we're gonna do all the other things as well. So let's get to it, y'all.
Sour taste just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh, baby. Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, yeah. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh, baby. Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday. Will you love me?
Ow.
What? You got you now?
I hit my hand. That's a mark.
Where?
Colorado.
I'm saying, where's the mark? Are you okay? You know, I'm doing something.
And look at your face.
I was bored.
I think it does need to be wider. Yep. Got the watch on. I may need to take one link out because it's a little loose. I like my watches to be oversized though, but I may take a link out. We'll see. But isn't that cute? Then I put my pictures and stuff on there. See? You know what's tea when you see them two fingers touching.